Welcome to day 24 of our 101 Days of Data Science. Today we're diving into NumPy, a fundamental library in Python for numerical computations. Let's explore how it can enhance your data science workflow and efficiency. NumPy is the backbone of numerical computation in Python, providing efficient tools for handling arrays and performing mathematical operations. It's essential for working with large datasets and complex calculations, making it a must-know for data scientists. At the core of NumPy is the array, which allows you to store and manipulate numerical data efficiently. Here we create a simple NumPy array using NumPy Array. Unlike Python's lists, NumPy arrays are optimized for performance, especially when dealing with large datasets and numerous elements. NumPy supports multidimensional arrays, making it ideal for handling matrices and higher dimensional data structures. In this example, we create a two-dimensional array or matrix where data is stored in rows and columns. Multidimensional arrays are particularly useful when working with images, data tables, or complex models. NumPy also provides a wide range of mathematical functions to perform operations on arrays. You can easily calculate sums, means, or even perform matrix multiplications, which are crucial for linear algebra problems. In our example, we first square each element in an array and then perform a matrix multiplication using NP. These operations are fundamental in data science, especially when dealing with numerical data and mathematical models. Today, we've explored NumPy and its powerful tools for handling numerical data. Arrays and mathematical functions form the core of many data science operations, and mastering these will streamline your workflow significantly. Tomorrow, we'll dive into other Python libraries you should know, like scikit-learn for machine learning and TensorFlow for deep learning. Get ready to expand your toolbox and enhance your data science skills further.